Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to create pages. So here from my main dashboard, I'm going to go to Pages and I'm going to add a new page. If you just click on Pages, it'll show you automatically. By default, it creates an About page. From here, I can add a new page. And I'm going to create a home page. Okay, so I'm going to call it Home. And I'm going to go ahead and just click Publish. Okay, for my website, I want to have a static home page. WordPress does not automatically give you a static home page, so you need to come down to Settings, and you're going to go to Reading. From Reading, I'm going to click, I want a static home page, and I'm going to select the home page to be my static page. And if I come down to the bottom, I'll just save my changes. Okay, the next thing I'm going to add is on the appearance, I'm going to go to the theme options. I added those widgets in the last video and they didn't show up. So I checked out my theme options and I was set up with this one column format. So if I switch to this two column format, this section on the side will become the sidebar where my widgets will show up. So I'm going to click on that and click Save Changes. And if we go now to my website, you can see that I now have this sidebar with the two widgets that I set up. The contact information for Mr. Pendleton and the milestone widget that shows the first day of school. Okay, there are a couple more things we can customize on your pages. Automatically, WordPress allows people to comment on your posts. I like to get rid of this. It just simplifies your website so you can control what students and parents are putting on your site. And then there's also a sharing function. They can like the page, or on other pages you can look at the About page. It has ways for them to share, whether on Twitter or Facebook or Google. So those are some things I want to take care of right away on my site. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my dashboard. If I come down to my settings and I go to discussion, this is where I can control whether people can comment on posts or not. So I'm going to uncheck this box that allows people to comment on my posts, and I'm going to come down and again I'm going to save my changes. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is adjust my sharing options. So under settings, click on sharing, and this is the page that I get. So this is the enabled services. Automatically it has a press this, which is a WordPress specific sharing option, Twitter, Facebook, and Google. So I'm going to get rid of the press this and the Google Plus, and I'm going to add in an email option if a parent wanted to email that page or print the page, and then a Twitter and a Facebook share. So these are just the basic ones that I want to have on each of my pages. And this is what it will look like. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page, and then you'll see that it just puts the email, print, Twitter, and Facebook now, and the ability to like a page. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you for this video is how to order pages. So you can see up at the top, my home page is all the way to the right and the About page is on the left. That's because the About page was created first, and so it automatically puts it first. And then I created my home page second. So if I want to switch the order of these pages on my navigation bar, here's how you do that. So I go to my dashboard and my pages. I have the About page and the home page. So if I click on the home page, you'll see over here on the side, it shows you the order that the pages are going in. Right now, the home page is listed as order 0, so it really should be first. However, if I go back and look at the About page, it was created first, so it automatically puts it first. So if I want to move the About page to the second place in the order, I actually need to switch it to number 1. So home page would be 0, About page would be 1, and if I click Update, and then I go back to my page and I hit refresh, you'll see that it switches the order. So now home page is first and the About page is second.